The Galaxy A56 has finally landed in the United States, and this release means more than just another phone hitting store shelves. Samsung clearly wanted to make a bold statement with this mid-range device, and now that it's officially available across the country, it's catching everyone's attention for good reason. The A56 comes with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen that feels more like something from a flagship phone. It's big, bright, and smooth, perfect for watching Netflix, playing games, or just scrolling through your socials. You really get a premium experience without paying a premium price. On the inside, it's powered by Samsung's own Exynos 1480 processor, paired with either 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM, so apps run fast and switching between them feels effortless. Storage goes up to 256 gigabytes, which is more than enough for most people, whether you're taking lots of photos or downloading entire seasons of shows. But it's not just about the specs on paper. In real life, this phone performs really well. One of the most impressive things is its battery. The 5,000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day with heavy use and can even stretch to 2 days for light users. When it's time to charge, the 45-watt fast charging means you're back up to 100% in less than an hour. No more stressing over battery anxiety. And Samsung's software game is strong too. The A56 ships with Android 15 and One UI 7 out of the box, so you're getting all the latest features without waiting months for updates. Plus, Samsung has promised up to 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security patches. That's a long-term commitment that makes this phone future-proof for most users. What makes the A56 feel even more special is how Samsung has added AI-powered features that were once only found in their flagship phones. You get tools like Best Face, which helps fix group shots where someone blinked, and Object Eraser, which removes unwanted things from your photos. There's also Circle to Search, a new Google feature that makes it easy to find information about anything on your screen. Just draw a circle around it. The Read Aloud function is another highlight, allowing your phone to read web pages out loud. It's perfect for multitaskers or people who prefer listening over reading. Design-wise, Samsung went for a clean and modern look with 2 color options, awesome light gray and awesome graphite. These might sound simple, but they give the phone a sophisticated feel, and the matte finish helps avoid fingerprints too. At $499, the Galaxy A56 gives a lot for its price. It's a smart choice for people who want solid performance, great battery life, and premium software features without spending over $1,000. And now that it's widely available across the US through Samsung's own store and other major retailers, it's easy to buy and get support for. The launch of the Galaxy A56 isn't just about adding another phone to the series, it's about making high-quality technology more affordable and more accessible. Whether you're a student, someone upgrading from an older phone, or just want something reliable without all the hype, the A56 is built for everyday users who still want a bit of that flagship experience. So, are you planning to pick one up, or waiting for something else? Let us know in the comments. And if this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future updates.